Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is 1, range is 600, concept is subject verb agreement and meaning. It says the injuries that patients suffer in car accidents often results from the failure of the person to wear his or her seat belt properly. So what is our first job? To spot verb and then subject. So what rule should we apply here to find out subject? Remember, if you find any group of words before verb, in that case, remove that group of words and check which noun is modified. That noun will become subject. In other words, if group of words plays a role of information, in that case, whatever noun is used to be informed will become subject. So here this part is adding information, right? Injuries that patients suffer in a car accidents often. So this is extra information for injuries. All right, it means this is modifier, remove that part, and injuries left. So injuries results, no, because injuries plural and results singular, it should be result. Option A out. Now how about option B? Patient result fine, but the problem is this is again modifier, right? And this is modifier for patient, so remove that part. What is left? Patient. Now the meaning of this sentence is patients often result from the failure of the persons to wear. Incorrect meaning. It is not patients result from the failure but injuries, right? So option B out. Option C, injuries suffered in the car accident by patients often result. Look here, this is again modifier, right? What is left? This information has been used for injuries. Again, injuries plural, results singular, so remove that part, I mean option C out. Just short reminder, remember whenever we add s plus es with verb, it becomes singular. When we add s plus es with noun, it becomes plural. All right, so plural, singular, option C out. Option D, car accidents from which patients suffer injuries often result. This is what? Modifier for accidents. Remove that part. It's mean accidents result from the failure of person to wear his or her seat belt. No, it is not accident failures but injuries result from, not accident result from, and that is why it is incorrect meaning. E becomes best option.